Alrighty. The question is, how deep is this one gonna be?
No one knows. Oh, that's a cool stone though. Whoa! Oh, whoa, dude, look.
That's really pretty.
We should try one.
You know what? I kind of like this one's gonna be either a smaller leak or it's gonna be deeper because it took longer to reach the surface. It's harder. Looks like there was some sort of palm tree here before. Because there's a lot of roots. I know I said not to do this, but when it comes to roots,
Gotta do it.
it makes it a pain in the butt to. Alright. You ready?
Mhm.
Okay, so you can show the hole. Now, when we first got here, we had a pretty good idea that there was a leak in the backyard. But it was pretty moist next to this fence, so we thought we'd, check this out as well. When we turned the water on, we didn't see any water coming up right here, but we did see it start to come up in the backyard. So that's where we started. Pause it. So this is the other side of the fence right here. We saw the water coming up over there, so that's where we went and started first. The zoomed out one or close?
It's zoomed out.
Okay.
It's recording
So
right now.
I've done a lot of other work here. The one that we just worked on, it comes from the front yard, and there's a piece of 1-inch pipe that runs down the length of the side yard. And it comes under here. It was feeding this tree, all these drips along the backside of the pool, and that not the garden section. I did that. So what I did is the client wanted to have it, so the front is connected to sprinklers, and it was a drip back here, so they wanted it separate from the yard. So I dug right up here. I capped off the pipe coming from the front yard, and I hooked this tree up and the drippers to one of the drip sections in the backyard. Lots of talking. Okay. So I already had it capped off down there, so I knew that we didn't need this line in here, but the crack, the break that we already fixed first was here. Put a picture of that there. It was just a crack in the clasp, the thin wall pipe. So we fixed that first, let the glue set for a little while, and then we went back to the front yard, right on the other side of the fence, and we turned that same zone on. And sure enough, there was water that started to bubble up. So we capped off the line back here unnecessarily, because we ended up having to go and cap the same dang line again in the front yard. But at least now in the front yard, it's schedule 40. So hopefully that pipe holds up better and doesn't crack like the other thin stuff. This is what I do. I'm hoping to start posting more videos of these type of repairs and just my average day out doing service calls and fixing irrigation pumps. So if you guys are interested, please like and subscribe.